Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about deer. Deer is considered as a mammal which usually live in jungles such as the Western Ghats or Amazon forest. Deer like to eat green grass, leaves, plants, and herbs. It won't consume meat. Deer has a white circular patches on its skin. The various properties of the skin of deer are useful for manufacturing of clothes and ornaments. A group of deer is usually called as herd. There are nearly 43 species of deer, including reindeer, swamp deer, barking deer, and mouse deer. We can see that is the horns on a male deer's head, whereas female deer has no horns on its head. Day by day, we can see that the population of the deer is decreasing throughout the world due to the excessive hunting. There are various types of the colors found in the deers such as red, brown, and grey, depends upon their species. As we all know that the lifespan of deer is about 10 to 20 years. This animal can survive in a diverse climatic condition. It inhabits every parts of the world except Antarctica and Australia. Male deer is called buck and a female deer is a doe. Deer can see up to 360 degrees as their eyes are at the side of their head. It runs at a speed of 40 km per hour and also has excellent jumping potential. The baby deer called fawns can walk only after 20 minutes of the birth. Deer have been hunted from ancient times for its horns, skin, and meat. A deer has an excellent hearing and smelling ability in comparison to the other living beings. Deer never harms to anybody. Deer are the endangered species. That's why they are kept in zoo in order to protect and preserve them. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share.